I go by the name Jasper, a name rooted in ancient Persian meaning treasure giver or bringer of treasure. Cool, right? It's more than just a name, it's legacy. My mother, with love and hope, gave me this name. For her and my family, I am living treasure, a blessing wrapped in a curious mind and a full heart, just like my name suggests. I try to bring value, whether through presence, ideas, or simple gestures, to those around me. I believe in treasuring people and moments, just like my mom. She's the kind of person who find joy in simplicity, and I've grown to mirror that. We both value the blessings in our lives, not just in material things, but in our relationships, faith, and little acts of kindness. Strengths in my pocket, they say a treasure is only as valuable as how it's used, and I've got a few gems of my own: leadership, critical thinking, and time management. My hobbies are eating and sleeping. Yes, I live for the classics, daydreaming under the afternoon sky, imagining worlds and stories, listening to music, uh, full food trip with no regrets, a peaceful vacation far from the noise, and maybe one day to travel and serve in different communities. I'm the middle child, the third out of five, not the loudest, not the quietest, but probably the most reflective. Our family lives simply but filled with love and daily humor. It's the kind of home where you can hear both laughter and thoughtful silence. My friends are like a patchwork of different colors, from school, some from our church. I serve as an altar server, and in that space, I found a deeper sense of purpose and community. The church has become not just a place of worship, but a place where friendships grow and values deepen. And now let's talk about the changes that I experience on the different aspects of the self brought by realizations that I have had in UTS. My physical self. My physical self is diverse and unique, each carrying features shaped by genetics, environment, and lifestyle. I take care of my body through rest, nourishment, and activity, recognizing that my physical form is the vessel through which I experience in life. My sexual self. I respect my sexuality and understand that it is an important part of who I am. I value relationships that are built on trust, respect, and honesty, and I believe in setting healthy boundaries that protect my emotional and physical well being. My material self. I take care of the things I own, whether it's my clothes, gadgets, or school materials. I understand that my possessions are a reflection of the hard work and sacrifices made by me and my family, so I use them responsibly and with gratitude. Spiritual self. I believe that there is more to life than just what we see. I stay connected to my spiritual self through prayer, reflection, and trying to live by values like kindness, honesty, and gratitude. I strive to grow as a person by staying faithful to what I believe in. My political self. I am aware of the world around me and believe in standing up for what is right. I value fairness, equality, and respect for others, and even in small ways. I try to support causes that make society better for everyone. My digital self. I use the internet and social media wisely, knowing that my online actions reflect my true character. I stay mindful about what I post, share, and say online, and I am to use digital platforms to inspire, learn, and connect positively with others. And also, let's talk about how I am, how I am becoming a better student. I am working hard to become a better student by being more focused in class, managing my time wisely, and staying organized. I make an effort to participate actively, ask questions, and take notes carefully so that I can truly understand what I am learning. My goals. I plan my goals by setting clear and realistic steps. I believe that success doesn't happen overnight. So I break down my dreams into small tasks, work on them one by one, and track my progress. I also remind myself to stay patient and disciplined even when challenges come. How I taking care of oneself or one's health. I prioritize my health by eating nutritious food, getting enough sleep, and finding time to relax and exercise. I know that a healthy mind and body are important for reaching my goals, so I listen to my body's needs and take care of myself before anything else. That's all. Thank you.